Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for a way to earn some extra cash? Well, you're in luck because we're about to reveal 6 secret side hustles for 2024 that no one talks about. These unique opportunities have the potential to help you make money on the side, without the need for a traditional 9-to-5 job. From virtual assistants to e-commerce flippers, we'll explore a range of under-the-radar side hustles that can be done from the comfort of your own home. So, get ready to discover some fresh and exciting ways to boost your income and achieve financial freedom. Our first secret side hustle for 2024 is becoming a virtual assistant. With more businesses and entrepreneurs operating remotely, the demand for virtual assistants is skyrocketing. As a virtual assistant, you can offer administrative, creative, or technical support services to clients from anywhere in the world. Here's how it works. You can sign up with virtual assistant platforms or freelancing websites to find clients. Alternatively, you can market your services directly to businesses or individuals in need of virtual support. Your tasks can range from data entry and email management to social media handling and customer service. The earning potential is quite promising, with experienced virtual assistants earning anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour or more. One of the unique advantages of this side hustle is the incredible flexibility it offers. You can work as little or as much as you want, making it an ideal option for those with full-time jobs or other commitments. Additionally, you can choose to specialize in specific industries or tasks, allowing you to leverage your existing skills and knowledge. With minimal startup costs and the ability to work from home, becoming a virtual assistant is a lucrative and convenient side hustle to consider in 2024. Next up, we have freelance writing, a versatile side hustle that allows you to turn your writing skills into a profitable venture. As a freelance writer, you can create content for websites, blogs, magazines, or businesses in various industries. To get started, you can sign up on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or directly approach potential clients. The earning potential is quite varied, with some writers making a few cents per word, while others charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars for more specialized or long-form content. One of the unique advantages of freelance writing is the ability to work on your own schedule and from anywhere in the world. You can choose to write about topics that interest you or specialize in a particular niche. Additionally, as a freelancer, you have the freedom to take on as many or as few projects as you like, making it an excellent side hustle for those seeking a flexible income stream. Hey everyone! Before we go any further into today's content, I wanted to share an awesome resource that I think you'll find really helpful: TubeMagic. TubeMagic is a great software if you are looking to start a YouTube channel. It has so many great features, from script writing, to video ideas, even to keyword research and so much more. If you are looking to start your own YouTube automation channel, create a source of passive income, and quit your 9-to-5, you need to check this out. If you're interested in checking it out, I've got a special affiliate link for you in the description below. Using this link helps support the channel and allows me to continue creating content for you. Now let's get back to the video. Our next secret side hustle for 2024 is e-commerce flipping. If you're someone who loves hunting for bargains and has a knack for spotting undervalued items, this could be the perfect side gig for you. E-commerce flipping involves buying products at a low cost, often from thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces like eBay or Craigslist, and then reselling them for a profit on platforms like Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, or your own e-commerce store. The earning potential for e-commerce flipping can be substantial. Some successful flippers have reported making thousands of dollars per month by consistently finding and reselling profitable items. The key is to develop a keen eye for spotting valuable or high-demand products that are being sold for a fraction of their worth. One of the unique advantages of this side hustle is the thrill of the hunt. You never know when you might stumble upon a hidden gem that could potentially yield a significant profit. Additionally, e-commerce flipping allows you to work on your own schedule and doesn't require a significant upfront investment, making it an accessible option for those with limited resources. However, it's important to note that successful e-commerce flipping requires dedication, research, and a good understanding of market trends and pricing strategies. But for those willing to put in the effort, this side hustle can be both lucrative and enjoyable. If you possess valuable knowledge or expertise in a particular subject, then creating and selling online courses could be a lucrative side hustle for you in 2024. With the e-learning industry booming and more people seeking convenient ways to learn new skills, there's a growing demand for high-quality online courses. Creating an online course involves planning and structuring your content into a comprehensive curriculum, recording video lessons or creating other multimedia materials, and then hosting it on an e-learning platform like Udemy, Coursera, or even your own website. The earning potential for online course creators can be significant. Some successful course instructors have reported making 6 or even 7 figures in annual revenue by selling their courses to a global audience. The key is to identify a subject area with high demand, create engaging and valuable content, and effectively market your course to the right audience. One of the unique advantages of this side hustle is the potential for passive income. Once you've created and launched your course, you can continue to generate revenue from new enrollments with minimal additional effort. Additionally, online courses allow you to share your knowledge and expertise with a worldwide audience, potentially impacting countless lives. However, it's important to note that creating a successful online course requires a significant investment of time and effort in content creation, marketing, and ongoing student support. But for those willing to put in the work, this side hustle can be both intellectually fulfilling and financially rewarding. If you're looking for a side hustle that leverages the power of the internet and your influence, consider affiliate marketing. In this model, you promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to never miss an update. Now back to the video. Affiliate marketing works by partnering with brands or companies that offer affiliate programs. You can join these programs for free and receive a unique tracking link or code. Then, you promote these products or services on your website, social media channels, email lists, or other platforms. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission, typically a percentage of the sale price. The earning potential for affiliate marketing can vary widely, depending on the products or services you promote and the size of your audience. Some successful affiliate marketers have reported making thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars per month. However, it's important to note that building a substantial following and establishing trust with your audience is crucial for success in this side hustle. One of the unique advantages of affiliate marketing is the ability to earn passive income. Once you've created content or promotional materials featuring your affiliate links, they can continue to generate sales and commissions for you over time with minimal additional effort. Additionally, affiliate marketing allows you to leverage your existing interests, expertise, or hobbies by promoting products or services related to those areas. This can make the process of creating content and promoting offers more enjoyable and authentic for your audience. Our final secret side hustle for 2024 is renting out your unused space or items. With the sharing economy continuing to grow, there's a huge opportunity to monetize assets that you're not fully utilizing. This side hustle involves listing your spare room, apartment, vacation home, or even just a parking space on platforms like Airbnb, VRBO, or Turo for car rentals. You can set your own rates, availability, and house rules, giving you control over how much you want to earn and when. The earning potential for renting out your space or items can be substantial, especially if you live in a desirable location or have high-value assets to offer. Some hosts have reported making thousands of dollars per month by consistently renting out their properties or vehicles. One of the unique advantages of this side hustle is the ability to generate income from assets you already own. Instead of letting your spare room or car sit idle, you can turn them into revenue streams with relatively little effort. Additionally, renting out your space or items can be a flexible side gig, as you can choose when and how often to make your listings available. This makes it an attractive option for those who want to earn extra income without committing to a fixed schedule or long-term commitment. However, it's important to familiarize yourself with the rules and regulations surrounding short-term rentals in your area, as well as to take necessary precautions to ensure the safety and security of your guests and your property. Overall, renting out your unused space or items is a creative and potentially lucrative side hustle that capitalizes on the growing sharing economy trend. There you have it, 6 secret side hustles for 2024 that no one talks about. We've covered a diverse range of opportunities, From becoming a virtual assistant or freelance writer to e-commerce flipping, creating online courses, affiliate marketing, and even renting out your unused space or items, each of these side hustles offers unique advantages, such as flexibility, passive income potential, and the ability to leverage your existing skills or assets. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, pursue a passion project, or achieve financial freedom, at least one of these side hustles is sure to pique your interest. So, what's stopping you from taking the first step? Do your research, identify the side hustle that resonates with you the most, and take action. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that first step could be the key to unlocking your financial potential in 2024. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on side hustles, entrepreneurship, and personal finance. We'll see you in the next one where we talk about how to turn your daily routine into a money-making machine.